Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video I am sharing you 1000x potential project. It's called Dogepreneur. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting that, we'll see a small disclaimer. This is not investment advice. I'm not your financial advisor, so make sure to do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. So first of all, you can check it out. I'm here on the website homepage. You can check it out there. Buy with Soul, roadmap, token economics, white paper, idiot, BNB Smart Chain, Connect Wallet. So if I scroll down, you can check out there the next evolution of real estate investment integrated with blockchain technology through Doge, Meme, and their Buy with Soul, white paper, Connect Wallet, and you can buy this token buy now before the price rise. And you can check it out their coin market cap, Yahoo Finance, Binance, and Watcher.guru. Next generation Doge Revelation assets earn a passive income with the Dogepreneur whole token along passive income through real estate rental profit. Your gateway to tokenized rental revenue. Real estate meets meme coin. You can check it out their full information. Their real assets generate return and hold and earn the real token combined with the popularity meme coin rise with the appreciated reality generation of the under assets, providing the exclusive through the more position. And you can check out how to buy with Solana coin. This is official pre-sale Solana address. Fund your Phantom software and install wallet support token. Copy pre-sale address, sold your wallet address, and freelance model pre-sale price fixed all the contribution. Token will be dropped to a soul contributed wallet to the launch. And this is the roadmap of the project. You can check it out there. Phase 1. The phase 1 is now completed, and they here on the you can check out their phase 2. So first of all, what is in the phase 1? You can check it out their entire brand awareness campaign, community building and engagement, pre-sale launch to investor post pre-sale marketing, push pre-sale and marketing, exchange partnership. And this is the phase 2, and exchange partnership with listing, launch preparation, testing, marketing and promotion campaign, post launch support and scaling, official launch on exchanges. This is the phase 3, assets acquisition, tokenization, platform development and integration, marketing and investor on board, ongoing management and expansion, RW tokenization. And there is you can check out they're building a strong ecosystem, tokenizing the rental properties, stake and earn passive income, display next step, roadmap, innovation and impact. So this is very amazing. You can check it out. There are the information. This is the token economics. And first of all, you can check out their 25% sport sold in and 25% also for the project treasury, 25% allocated to marketing, 15% for the rental investment, 10% for exchange liquidity, and their pre-sale 25%, treasury 25%, liquidity 10%, investment 15%, marketing 25%. And what is a Dogepreneur? And so if I click on this question, Dogepreneur is an innovative meme token initiative connects to the world of digital currencies with a tenable real estate assets. By leveraging blockchain technology, Dogepreneur allows to individual invest to real estate through the tokenization platform, making property investment possible with a wider audience. And how does it the Dogepreneur work? Investor can purchase Dogepreneur the which represent share in our real estate assets tokenized on our platform. And you can check out their full information, their question and answers. And if I scroll down, you can check out their social account, Twitter, Telegram, and white paper, roadmap, FAQ section, Medium, Telegram group, terms and condition, privacy and policy. So now we are going to review on their white paper. So simply I open the white paper. Welcome to Dogepreneur. You can check out their 32 pages of white paper. And first of all, table of contents, you will be get about information about Dogepreneur, about the team, our marketing analysis, token economics, roadmap, use fund, disclaimer. So first of all, you can check out there about Dogepreneur. About Dogepreneur, as Dogepreneur is a pioneering meme token in native design, a bridge for world digital currencies with a tenable real estate investment through the strategic acquisition management of the rental properties. Dogepreneur aims to generate stable return. Is an investor project disseminated by offering 70% of rental investment back in the token holder, ensuring that attractive passive income stream in addition potential capital gains from the token value appreciation, holding the heritage, sparking news ideas. And you can check it out their vision, mission. And if I scroll down, you can check out their let's do with math. And we are strategists target up the most sought after the destination in the global rental marketing and by Dubai. where the average monthly rental price is a $3,000 to $20,000. For instance, let's consider renting out the 200 apartments and the rate of 3,000 per month, and the total is 6 million. And you can check out their expenses of the rent of the apartment, and you can check out their math. It's a very huge thing. So if I scroll more, you can check out there by leveraging both the coin ERC20 BEP standards. So if I scroll down more, you can check out there about the team, who we are. The Dogecoin project listed the signer ticket team uniquely possible to appraise of the world of cryptocurrency real estate, their section. If I scroll on more, you can check out it's a very huge project. I'm not recommended for investment, but do your research first before any investment. So first of all, you can check out their other information, their investment model. You will be get 70% back, risk management, and their white paper, their token economics. And you can check out their pre-sale of 25%, and their marketing community engagement 25%, their real estate investment 50% of supply, exchange and liquidity 10% of supply. If I scroll down more, and you can check it out their roadmap. This is the phase 1, phase 2, and you will get all the information about the project. So it's a very good project. Use the fund, and you can also check out the use of fund, and end of the project you will be get a disclaimer of the Doge Predator. So if I scroll down more, and you can check out its end. So guys, what if they saying in the white paper, if this is truth, I'm 100% sure this is truth. So it's a very huge project in 2024. So let's open their Twitter account, and you can check it out their blue tick, and simply click on follow option, and their official handle is Dogepreneur, and the Meet the Dogecoin, this is their only one Twitter account, and they have only one Telegram channel and Telegram group. Other one is fake. You can check out their official Telegram channel is provided. Simply click on this and simply join it. So let's talk about their exciting news. We are expanding our honors, and this is a 16 hours ago post, 16 April, and you can check out their exciting news. Their 3 million milestone. If I scroll down more, you can check out there all the information provided here. So it's a very amazing project. So let's check it out there all the information. So this is the official Telegram official chat. Simply click on view and Telegram, and simply click on open Telegram desktop, and you can join their official chat. And this is the official Telegram channel. You can also join the Telegram channel easily. So this is the official edit. So this is the contract address symbol Doge EP category meme, and their request, their audit token name Doge EP, their total supply, token dimension, their contract address, and solidity currency type BEP20 compiled contractor solidity 0 available. And you can check out their owner address, owner balance, and you can check it out there all the information provided here on the block site. So it's a very huge project. So now we're going to back on the website. So let's see how to buy this project on their pre-sale before rise the price. So first of all, you need to click on connect wallet. You can use your MetaMask, Ethereum, Ledger, View All, and you can also scan your Trust wallet. Simply click on MetaMask, because I'm using my desktop MetaMask. So simply I click on MetaMask, and after all I enter my password. So let's wait. So guys, wallet has been successfully connected. So let's see how much you want to buy this token. 1 Doge EP is a $0.408694. You can check out their information. So suppose if I buy this token with 1 BNB, I will be get like token like something, and you can check out their 10% token rise day, and simply click on start exchange. I don't have any balance, so that's why showing that don't have any enough BNB to pay the transaction. Please. So guys, I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. We will definitely reply you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. We will meet in our next video.